What is good? All right, little trade recap. But like I told you guys, I would give you. I got to start being more on top of these trade recaps because I definitely want to start pumping out more UTizzy content, YouTube content, right? So let's talk about this trade we took today. I'm going to show you the initial trade that I was looking for on this 1 minute that we didn't unfortunately catch. I was kind of a little bit too late on it. It moved too quick, and I was just discombobulated. I don't know. It's like 1 a.m., bro. Don't mind me. I'm like a little bit out of it. Um. Anyway, so the initial trade I was looking at were these shorts, and I'm going to show you why. Look at that. We literally missed this entire move, which is hella unfortunate. But so like right here, right? We have 1 minute break of structure. We've been, as you guys know, price action this morning was kind of ass, right? We had this 5 minute. All we did from open is just continue to just move up all day. Really no entries to even get into longs. So the whole day I was kind of looking for a spot to short initially. I'm on my laptop. You guys might hear like squeaky noises. It's my mouse pad. So I was looking initially to get into puts at some point in the day, and we didn't want to finding a setup until like what was this, like there was like 1:30. That 1:30 macro came in, right? So we get this 1 minute break of structure here to the downside, and we also have this previous bullish fair value gap. There was a bullish fair value gap. That price closed below, now making that an inverse fair value gap, right? As soon as we get that close below, that next 1 minute candle wicks right back into this fair value gap, and we reject literally straight off that. Didn't even go back into drawdown, or wouldn't have even gone back into drawdown. It literally would have been a sniper entry down to these lows, or the target, which is actually what I took my longs off of, or my calls off of today. So we go down to this 5 minute. We have this 5 minute order block right here, and we also have this 15 minute bullish fair value gap, right? Got this 15 minute bullish fair value gap, 5 minute order block. So two strong bullish confluences, and I did honestly play this trade a lot off of momentum. I didn't look for a break of structure back to the upside. I pretty much, as soon as we tapped into this bullish fair value gap, I took my entry. We had also taken out these low resistance lows here. Low resistance. And I guess, I don't know why that doesn't sound like it makes sense to me right now, but yeah, again, my bad, guys. It's like 1 a.m. Probably should be asleep. What the fuck was I talking about? Bah. Yeah. Bullish 15 minute fair value gap. Bullish 5 minute order block. Snipe. Entry here. Stop was at the bottom of this fair value gap. And once we kind of did go into some drawdown. I probably could have waited a little bit more until we tapped in the middle of this fair value gap. But we got that 5 minute wick to, or 5 minute candle to wick out and close above, and price moved beautifully. We got a beautiful move up right after that, and I was targeting this bullish inverse fair value gap on the 15. Sorry, we got that 15 minute candle, or we have this 15 minute previous bullish fair value gap. Price closes back below, and like I was talking about on that 1 minute setup, what does that make that previous fair value gap once we invalidate it? An inverse. So I was looking for this as our target, which we did wind up hitting. And yeah, you could see price start to reject off that as well before close. Close was right here on this candle. So yeah, we did kind of reject off that. Oh wait, I didn't show you guys. We did make 5.1k on the day, which is not too shabby. Cons ran about like 50 something percent, like low 50s something percent, which was not bad. And yeah, like I said, pretty simple setup. I didn't really wait for a break of structure or anything like that. I purely played this off of price dropping, because we had a really quick move into these zones here, this order block and this fair value gap. So I was really just looking to play momentum back to the upside, which we got. And yeah, pretty simple trade. What was I gonna say? Yeah, I'm probably gonna wind up posting this tomorrow morning, which is gonna be, I don't know, whenever you guys are watching this, but yeah, it'll pretty much wrap it up. And as always, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to either drop them in the comments or hit me on Instagram, Discord, whatever. And yeah, I'm going to start locking in with these trade recaps. I know you guys enjoyed these, so I'm going to start pumping them out, I promise. And yeah, let's make a bag tomorrow. I will see everybody. We are live every single morning, 9:30 a.m. in the Discord. Pop in, bank with us. We are doing a $100 challenge in there as well. For those of you who don't know, I'm sure most of you watching this already know. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow morning for market open. Let's make a bag. Peace.